This video, we're going to go over how I made $7,120 on chain in the past 24 hours trading meme coins. So we had a pretty good day. And also I made 3,300 on one coin on the BullX coin. But that was on my phone, so we're not going to count it. So I mean, technically 10K day, but we're just going to put 7,120. But yeah, we're going to go over all of the trades, all of the narratives I took. And I'm going to try and explain why I took them, where I sold, where I entered, and where I made mistakes and where I didn't. So the first cook was actually technically last night, and that was on this coin, Chronically Based Stock Exit, CBSE. And I bought it right here, 11K. I was honestly pretty late, 10K entry, so I had all these people filled below me, and I sold around here. I sold out a little bit here, and it was a tweet that said first to NEAT, now CBSE. And CBSC is like an exam, so that's why this didn't actually bond. But the tweet was super bullish because if you look up NEAT, it's at 38 mil. So it was going at 38 mil, and this like news agency compared NEAT to this new CBSE. So it was just an insta buy on the tweet. Look into it, realize that this is not actually what CBSE stands for, and that it's an exam and it has nothing to do with NEAT. So the tweet was like framed a little weirdly, and so that's why I sold out before it went to zero. So yeah, that was the first trade, 340 bucks, not bad. But then we lost it. Actually, never mind. I broke even on this. I was gonna say we lost it right after, but no, mine is zero. So that was just wrong. Cool. Then I made one soul on hay. Pretty much broke even on these. I'll put another soul here, and then lost 8 soul, and then made 8 soul. Okay, so 6 soul on Aussie, digital Aussie, and this was Ozzy Osbourne saying that he was going to be resurrected as like an AI hologram, and I thought that was interesting and cool. So agent mode, it went to 10K round trips, but 6 soul, not bad. Then hey.lol, I bought a bunch because Toli had retweeted it, the founder of Solana, and he retweeted the CA. So I just insta bought it. Then I went and looked at the coin, and I saw it was old and not really that interesting, so I just sold it, and I made 0.7 off of my like insta buy and insta sell. Then I made 0.6 on this. I think I was just rinsing snipers here. It was just like a random account. I lost 2.5 soul here on this bags coin that was created by an AI16Z employee, but I guess it was just like too obviously that it was hacked. So I ended up breaking even on that one. And then I made 8 soul on this, which is about $800, I want to say, 700. And it was the algorithm, and it was in the SpaceX IPO documents. I went to go through looking for them because there was a SpaceX IPO coin that was really high. So I went to the documents to see if I could find anything else. And if you command F and look up the algorithm, it's like mentioned a bunch of times, and it's like ominous, like the algorithm, like it's like their philosophy or whatever. So I thought that was pretty good. And with a good picture and an explanation, it went to 14K. So I ended up round tripping a lot on that too, but I really thought it was gonna bond. But yeah, whatever. Worth a try for sure. There was some good volume on it. So yeah. Then we lost 3 soul here. We lost 4 soul. We lost another 4 soul, and then we lost 1.4. So on Serious Coin, I lost 3.5. This was Bonk, which is another platform, like a competitor to Pump Fund. They tweeted it, and I insta bought on the tweet. And this was my candle up here, and then I just insta sold because no one bought after me. Then I lost a soul here. I thought this was really good. I bought and I held, and I was up at one point, and I didn't take any profits. It was 7 like cancer patient or Ebola patients that escaped a hospital, and it was like super viral. It just got a bunch of tweets, so I thought that was pretty big, but no one cared. I lost 5 soul on this. I think it was just a rug. I bought it, and it was like okay, so the tweet is deleted, but it was an employee naming the pigeon from the Wall Street Bets account, this guy. And this pigeon coin was already really high, so the employee had named it on her Twitter. Let's see, it was at like 26K, but it was higher before. And she said, oh, it's funny how no one knows its name is Jordan or whatever, and I bought it, and then I got rugged. So yeah, I'm guessing it was a hacked too. And then I lost 1.3 soul on this Teru, which was Miley Cyrus's new Turtis. So yeah, those are a few losses I took. Then I took another loss back-to-back on Neek. This was another neat derivative. I lost 2 soul. Nice. Then I made 4 soul on 49A, which was like a viral character from SpongeBob. And if you look at the tweet, look, can I scroll down? 1.4 mil, 1 mil, 200k, 7 mil, 250k. So it was super viral, and it was just like being repeated a bunch. So I was like, yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, I made 4 soul on that. Cool. Now in the morning, we lost 5 soul on NEAT and CBDC. CBDC was a tweet from the like a Republican, and it was like, oh, a central bank digital currency would be like bad. It should be banned, but I didn't read that. I thought it was good, so I bought and I insta-sold and I lost 2. Then minus 3.4 on this. It was like supposedly the original NEAT coin, but it was obviously a scam. They had linked this like OG NEAT token or whatever. Yeah, I don't know. Then I made 8 soul on this, which was Jerry, and Jerry was this lucky mascot in the MLB, and they named it. He brings a mini dinosaur and named it Jerry, and it's right here, and there's a picture. So yeah, I thought that was pretty good. Somehow it didn't bump, so yeah, whatever. And then, you know, break even on some random coins. I lost 6 soul on this fucking hippo, which ended up going to 200k. I just bought the wrong one, apparently. It was Elon that said maybe we should make a hungry hippo version of a Starship. This was the one I bought, and it went to 15k, and then, of course, they just full insta-nuked it. And then they sent another one to... well, now it's at 21k, but it went to really high, actually. It went to 420k. That was the all-time high. So yeah, that wasn't fun, but whatever. You know, sometimes you just buy the incorrect one. And then they got good. We made 4 soul on the Prophet Dan, which was that apparently the Simpsons writer who is like known for predicting all the crazy things is running for president. That was a pretty good narrative. I round trip actually, but you know, I thought that was gonna go a lot higher. And then this Zinc coin. This was a coin, and I saw a really good wallet buy it. And then I had also seen other good wallets I was tracking by. And again, you find these wallets just like through like, you know, going through coins, AI projects, whatever. So I saw these wallets buy early, and then I just took a risk and I bought some. I ended up buying like 6 here. Then I bought some more here at more price, and then someone one clipped, so I just bought even more. And then it started going up, and then right around here, I was talking to my friend, and he said, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's them. And then they posted the CA, and it just only up ripped. So this was a really fun coin. It went to 1.5 mil. And I'll show you guys my sells real quick. Yeah, all these S is my sells. So honestly, like buying down here, selling up here, pretty good. I made 67 soul on this. So 5,670 from 2,070 initially invested. So that was a really nice play. And that really like set the mood for the rest of the day, because then right after I made 31 soul on this coin I was holding called Kaima. And this was like a coin created by like I think it was like an employee at Cambridge University. So yeah, whatever, I bought that. I thought that was good, and it went really high, and I actually round tripped like 300 soul on this. It was so bad. I was sleeping and I wake up and I'm like, oh my god, I hit 300 soul and I wasn't awake to sell up there. So I only sold out 100k. So I literally only made 65, so 5.4k instead of like 15. So just don't talk to me. Oh my god. And then this coin went to 1.5 mil, and I threw 300k. I was like, fuck, this is good, and I didn't buy it. And then at 600k, I'm like, oh my god, it's at 600k. And then I look back at 1.6 mil, I'm like, oh my god, it's at 1.6 mil. So I bought like a 3k just to be exposed up here, and I held it, and it didn't move. It just went sideways. So then I ended up selling, and then like it literally went to 0 after I sold, which is unfortunate. I thought it was really good. It was like a very viral, like chubby elephant. So I lost 4.5, 386 on this, but you know, it's just worth being exposed in case these pull like, you know, giga runners like Mooding, Penguin, whatever, and they just keep going up. It's like, I don't want to not be in that, you know. And then honestly, I didn't hit anything else. The rest of the day, it was just like 0.7, 0.4, 0.4, like just random like coins. Sex coin, fucking rose coin. It was like this. I was up 3 soul on, and I round tripped it. So yeah, that was our cooks for the day. It was a pretty good day. We ended up again, like I said, making 7,130, and then that 3k on that Ebola coin, which is literally right here. It's at 620k. I still have some left, so I'm not fully out, but I have 31 soul left, and my P&L is 38, and I've sold out my initials. a little bit more actually. It took like extra like 6 SOL. I'm gonna hold it. I think it could maybe touch 1 mil, 2 mil. That'd be really nice. I don't know if it will, but I've been holding it for about the past week because there was like a big announcement that Ebola virus was spreading and that it might go to the US, and if it does, it's just gonna be major news. So I just thought it would be good to be exposed, and then it just got worse in the past 2 days. So that's why I went higher. More people are talking about it. And yeah, I wrote the thesis in my Telegram, which you guys could find ethanprosper.com. So that's pretty cool if you guys feel ever like going to look through my calls, and I kind of like go over the different like coins I buy to hold a little on the more long-term end rather than on the day. But yeah, that was honestly the cook. The like all of our cooks really. It was a pretty good day. I mean, you know, that's like 10K a day. If you could do that every day, that's 200K a month. That is a lot of money. So yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.